Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at EOS then. We'll make this short and sweet because there's nothing a great deal for me to say. Long term, I'm really enjoying this. I think it's going to work out really well. And you've probably watched my videos on EOS before. I was making EOS videos while EOS was very unpopular, and to be honest, it's probably still unpopular too. It's a very divisive coin. One of the reasons I like it more actually because it divides people's opinions so much. I suppose my integrity is still under question, and I don't blame you because I have been calling for this for a while now. And the reason for it, and again, I'm using this laptop here, but the reason for it, if we just zoom out, we'll do it on the weekly here. If we zoom out, what we see is a large consolidation period. Sorry about the jerky footage here. It's just I'm using a laptop for first time I've used a laptop in a long, long time. We had this consolidation, which more or less came to an end around about this zone here. And when we went into a period of accumulation, this is just rough and ready. This was the accumulation period where we were buying it up like crazy in anticipation for a full-on reversal in which I still believe is going to happen. We have a conversion baseline cross here on the weekly. This is a long-term buy signal here, and this here, despite this massive red wick, well, it's a candle body, isn't it? That probably scared a lot of people out of this, going, maybe I was wrong. I was wrong all this time. EOS isn't going to do anything. To be honest, that doesn't mean anything to me. Obviously, it's disappointing to see a red candle of that side, but it doesn't mean anything to me. The thing that means more to me is the this crossover here, also this crossover here, the divergence of all these moving averages. This is just getting started. Now, when I say it's just getting started, obviously it's been starting since over here. This is where we were buying it, and now the uptrend is starting to look a little bit more promising. So it's been a good day. It's definitely been a good day. As far as where we're going to be rejected from, well, pretty much here, I would say. We've touched the top of this Bollinger Band on the weekly here, coming up to about $5. It's probably going to have to cool off there on the weekly. Doesn't have to, but it's very likely. Also also over here when we look at it on the daily, we're outside of the Bollinger Band as well today. So we had a decent run yesterday. Continued a little bit today, trying to push up to $5. I don't think it's got enough room to really do that. So if we just look a little bit closer here, what we also see is an incoming conversion baseline cross on the daily. So that's not actually confirmed yet. Probably will confirm over the next couple of days. It'll take one hell of a dump for that to be completely written off. So again, this on the daily is looking pretty sweet as well. Again, this isn't it's not confirmed, but it's looking pretty good. It's above the cloud. The price action is also above the Chiku span is above price action. All of those signals are good for continuation. Now, this is EOS. It does do its own thing, and that's why we like it. But as far as the chart on the daily and on the weekly is concerned, it's primed for a continuation of an uptrend. Doesn't mean it's going to be aggressive all the time, every day. But I'm telling you now, I am very, very confident in the way that it's shaping up now. I was confident buying it in the accumulation zone. I'm confident in this uptrend being confirmed on the weekly and possibly on the daily. So it could start to take on a new form, pushing up into $6, $7, $8. And before you know it, I'd probably say my top target before I start selling some of it is going to be around about $13. But it could easily go a lot further than that before the year is over. We're still very early on. What's the 1st of April? We have plenty of time for this cycle to end for the crypto market and for EOS to prove itself as not a zombie dead token like a lot of people start to think it is. So very bullish on EOS long term, and as far as that daily and weekly is concerned, we pretty much have two very strong signals in the bag. So I'm going to leave it with you there. I've got a market overview. My previous video just gives you a bit of a vibe of what I expect to go on with the market. And tomorrow is the live stream for Patreon users, but I will open it up to the general public. But you'll miss the first hour, which is where I give my overall summary and put the entire stream into context. So I would suggest you're probably better off joining the Patreon for £7.50 a month. Anyway, other than that, I will leave it with you there. But thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.